Good evening, all of you. So you may observe here, this is what the latest circular which has been released July 5th, 2021, means in the sense of yesterday evening. So here, what they are saying in this and what we have to remember as a student of CBSE curriculum, what we have to follow means, so kindly you have to remember the things they are saying that all the heads of the schools affiliated to CBSE they are saying. So like as one of our school is also a CBSE school only. Is it correct? So now here you can see this is the special scheme of assessment for board examination classes 10th and 12th both. Usually CBSE will conduct the exams for 10th class and as well as 12th class. Is it yes or no? So here if you
Yes,
observe
Yes, sir.
COVID situation, because of COVID situation, last year, what happened because of COVID, it has been everything collapsed. They have been planned before board exams in between the March to April, and as well as +2, they have been planned May and June, etc., etc. But because of COVID-19, you can see here, both board examination during the second wave in April, they have been cancelled both its class 10th and 12th examinations of the year 2020 and 2021. So now they are declaring the results on basis of their previous performance in class 8th, class 7th and class 9th as well as 3 years they are considering like a credible, reliable, flexible and valid alternative assessment policy. So what is this valid alternative assessment policy means? What kind of activities they have performed in that particular year? So as a CBSE teacher, I am saying you because I am working in your school only, correct? So I know that. So it will be considered as your performance in our live means online classes as well as how you are communication skills. Suppose if you take for example English, is there any kind of speaking competition or writing competition, something which has been conducted by your teacher, as well as everything is matter like portfolio and subject enrichment activities, everything they will be considered in this valid alternative assessment policy. So now this is what happened to the 2021. So they have planned board exams at the April, but it has been cancelled because of pandemic situation. So now they are going for some alternative method. So because of that alternative method, now they have been got a new idea for coming years. If suppose the same situation happened, so that they have been met with some company consultations and the government schools as well as most rural areas, the remote area, rural areas and the majority, everything, they have been requested that rationalization of the syllabus. What is the meaning of this rationalization? Means make it a common syllabus for everywhere and trying to make it a splitting form, like in a sense of semester wise they are asking to make means let the students will get benefited, and like last year it should not be happening again. And suppose the exams has been cancelled, like again the pandemic has been repeated, the COVID has been again, is not going to be again the situation is unfeasible, then we have to go with this. So that is why they are saying like 2021 it should not be happened. So 2022 they are making some kind of a special schemes they have been introduced for the academic session for class 10th and as well as 12th for the 2021 and 2022. So now this is what they are saying. So based upon how that it will be means, you can see here it will be like a core concept based, student centric and as well as transparent, technology driven and having advanced provision of alternatives. This is what the advanced provisions what they have made. So now what is that seal? So that what is the scheme and what they have been introduced for your academic year 2021 to 2022. So observe very carefully here. This special scheme for 2021 and 2022, they have been divided into two categories, means term 1 and term 2 exams. That is what they are saying here. Academic session to be divided into two terms with approximately 50% syllabus in each of them. Do you understanding all of you? Suppose if you take for example, we have how many chapters in physics now? Presently, how many chapters in physics we have? How many chapters we have? 5 chapters. Is it a
3 to 4,
5.
5 yes.
Approximately these chapters, they will make averagely they will make 3 plus 2 or 2 plus 3. We don't know. Some average 50% they will make it into term 1 and remaining 50% will be for term 2 they are saying. So that is soon they are saying that within this week or within this 5 to 10 days they are going to release the syllabus also. So we no need to bother about the syllabus. As early as possible the CBSE is going to release the syllabus. So now here from this point you have to understand one thing. What is that? academic session to be divided into how many terms? 2 terms now. So before, usually we are going to consider only one time we are going to write the exam. That is also session and exams at the March. Usually February to March or March to April we are going to write. Feb to March or March to April. But now here we are going to be 2 times the board is going to be conduct the exams. How it will be conducting? Either in the school or like any other school, like how you are writing a normal board exam. That is all we will discuss in the coming next pages, you can see. So this is what you have to remember here. So how many times you are going to write the exams now? 2 times for this. Are you understand, Ra? So now each time how much it will be averagely? Approximately
50%.
50%. So every subject like that. Your Tamil like that only. Your physics, chemistry, biology, all the things. Means science averagely we can take. So science is also 50%, and everything will be the 50% only they are going to say. So this is what they are saying regarding this 2-term examination. Usually it is like engineering method. In engineering, as a engineering graduate, I know that we are having each 4 months we will be having exams. So means 4 months semester will start by first suppose today it has been started this July. After 4 months we will be having exams. Do you understand, Ra? Like that it will be there. So now here you can see this is what they are saying, 2 terms exams with the 50% syllabus approximately. So now how that exams will be? The syllabus for the board examination 2021-2022 will be rationalized. So means in the sense of a common syllabus they will make for all the throughout the India and other countries wherever the CBSE curriculum is there. Everything, whatever they have declared. Actually, I have already sent you the syllabus of this academic year, which has been released in the notification. Here you can see 2021, which has been released at the 31st March 2021. Have you remembered? This already I have sent you in our groups also. Yes or no? So according to this syllabus has been declared, in this they will make 50% for term 1 and 50% for term 2. So according to this this notification, as I am saying you, there is no deleted portion. Complete syllabus is there, which has been followed by 2019 and 20 batch. Whatever they have been followed, same syllabus is they have been declared, except some modifications in English. English subject, some modification is there. I think by this time our teacher has been discussed with us. Is it not?
Yes, sir. Some she told, sir, today.
Some only is there. Remaining other subjects, there is no modification. Because I have a knowledge in that, so that I am saying. English, I heard that some modifications and some deleted portions in English, except that everything has been there included, so that there is no kind of deleted portion like last 2020 and 2021 academic year. So we are whatever the curriculum we are following, again they will release the notification soon. So once it will release, we will discuss the syllabus of everything, including Tamil and languages like English, Hindi. Is there any student Hindi? That is also we'll discuss. This is what the second month. So the syllabus should be, examinations will be rationalized syllabus. A common syllabus will be there. It will be last academic session to be, which is released in the 2021, means in this academic curriculum it is there. If you want this also, I will send you again, no problem. Now if you'll observe here, next third point, efforts will be made to make internal assessment, practical project work more credible and valid. This is what the point which will most useful to you people. Why I am saying you this, can you able to say why it is more important? So you may notice it. Few times, suppose see, they are saying that term 1 examinations will be in November. Which month? November. Do you understanding all of you?
November.
And as well as they are saying that term 2 exams will be there either March to April. Now, in both the situations, suppose again the corona is not feasible to us, like in the sense of again it will be extremely ghost and it is unable to conduct the exams, and you people will write suppose from the home. That is also option is there. We can write the exams online from the home only. So at that situation, they will give more credible to your internal assessments and as well as practical and as well as project work more credible and valid. That is why I am saying you, please all of you kindly do your AIL project, record your videos and send it to your respective teachers, and even maintain as a record, purchase one new pen drive, and whatever you are doing, make it as a digital copy. That is better, because now everything is world is running back of digital technologies and all. So please kindly maintain everything, because it will be useful, I am saying you. And try to attend your everything classes and this practical. Suppose if you take physics only, sir, how we are going to do the practical? We are not going to do the direct practical, but we have an option. What is that option? Virtual practical. Do you remember? Yes or no? For
Yes.
example, you can take
Yes, sir.
calculating the focal length of a lens. We have a virtual lab. So like that things we have to do. So from that also they will ask you Viva questions. They will conduct means online Viva, something, teachers only. The school teachers will conduct online Viva and they will ask you some questions from that. Like that, everything is valid. They will give more priority to that points. So kindly all of you don't neglect your AL projects and as well as whatever your teachers are giving, like quiz exams or some internal assessment or subject enrichment activities or something, etc. Drawings, particularly if it comes to the something like they are asking you to prepare some model social studies. You can see I have seen one of our Nitinath had made, I think, Qutub Minar, something he has been done. Correct, Nitinath? I have seen
Okay.
his status. So like that, everything, please kindly make it ready if you have done already for this term one, which I think already most of the schools have been declared. So you please kindly make it ready still if you are not done. That is very, very important. So this is all about the 3 points you have to remember. What is that? First point is syllabus should be exams. How many times we are going to be right? 52 terms.
2 times, sir. 2 times 50% each term.
Syllabus. Syllabus will be rationalized. Common syllabus will be there, which has been already declared in 31st March 2021. That academic curriculum only, they are going to make it rationalized. Means 50% they will be declared for every schools. Schools will follow the curriculum. Means whatever the schools in foreign, abroad and India, wherever it is, everything under CBSE, everything they will follow this one. So the schools will also use alternative academic calendar. Actually, this alternative academic calendar in the sense of like, you can see that which is following by the teachers. Actually, it is not for the children. We people are following that alternative academic calendar because of this pandemic. Basically, it is live teaching and direct teaching, but because of this pandemic, we people are following digital teaching. Correct or not? 90% of India now is, even still it is going on digital education only. So that is why this is following. So these are the points, and we have a more credible and valid for what kind of things for your work. What is that work, sir? Internal
Project.
Projects, internals.
Projects and practical.
Have to remember. So now let us come to the details. Third point, details of curriculum transactions. From here it is most important, including 9th and 11th also it will be valid, not only for you. So you can, juniors also you can say them. For 9th class also it has been considered the same thing, and 11th class also considered same thing. So let us come to here. What is the things you have to maintain? Still now you have not maintained from at least today, July 6th, 7, 2021. Please kindly try to maintain this. They are saying that, listen, schools will continue teaching in distance mode only. Distance mode means which mode? Online, correct?
Yes.
So no child is allowed to the school. Still the authorities permit in person mode of teaching school. Means in the sense of like direct teaching. Still the authorities, we are getting the permission from the government. Nobody is allowing. So school, every school will continue only distance teaching, online education only. So now what you have to do under the internal assessment? Please all of you kindly note this. Class 9th and 12th, both internal assessment throughout the year, irrespective of term 1 and term 2. Like our school will conduct 2 terms. Have you noticed it? 9th class, for example, if you take half-yearly exams, term 1 and end
Yes,
exams. Have you noticed it? End.
Yes, sir.
End exams. So
Yes, sir.
irrespective of this term 1 and term 2 exams, it is not having considered. Means other than that, we have to do, would include the how many periodic tests? 3 periodic tests. Correct? So, and the student enrichment activity, that is only called as subject and student enrichment activity. Next one, what is this? Portfolio.
Portfolio.
What kind of credentials you are getting? Suppose you learned light chapter. Suppose I have prized you in some class. You have done some project work. So you have to be filed in that. Suppose in exam you have scored out of. So that you have to take the Xerox and you have to maintain as a portfolio. Or else digital portfolio you can maintain it and you can submit it whenever they need. And practical work, speaking, listening activities and project. Suppose you can see online class, digital class, suppose you are very, very silent and you are not all communicating. And I have given you, unfortunately, a teacher has given speaking, listening activities. They have much out of marks I have given. So they will ask you the proof. So what you people will do? You don't have any kind of digital record. Is it yes or no? Even so many of you are not even attending the classes. So this is what will happen. So even our speaking, listening skills, everything we have to maintain a record. You may notice this point, if you read, you can understand it. CBSE will provide will facilitate schools to upload marks for internal assessment on the CBSE IT platform. So after every session, after every pre-T test, after every activity, immediately we have to upload your marks in this IT platform, CBSE IT platform, so that you may understand what is the importance of communication during the class. Do you understand, Ra? That is what I will say usually our classes. Always try to communicate. Interactive should be, teaching should be interactive, it should not be one way. So these are the things you have to maintain. Do you understand, all of you? So coming soon,
Yes,
we are
sir.
going to write periodic test 1. So how you have to perform with 100%, I am saying. Stop all unnecessary things like going to the small functions and here and or evening walking or some other nonsense things and all. Please kindly dedicate complete time. And for mainly boys, I'm saying, still so many are spending more than 5-6 hours for PUBG, that Free Fire and all. Please kindly avoid it. This is going to be very, very difficult if you are like this. So we don't want, as my, at least I don't concern about other students and all. At least my surroundings, my children should be followed this, all the things from at least one today. Will you do it or not? That is what you have to remember. This is regarding internal assessment. So if you remember this internal assessment, next they are saying, you remember,
Yes, sir.
9th and 12th also the same thing. So the schools will follow some other thing, because 9th and 12th, 11th and 12th, they have some other thing like in each and individual topic also they are going to write unit test and some other kind of activities they will conduct, and they will conduct practicals and projects. That is for 12th. That is each and every unit after they will conduct some kind of exam for them. That is also they have been included, and special activities for them because they are +2, correct? So it will be more practical knowledge and some other extra things also will be there for them. So here you can see, here this is what the main thing. So here schools would create a student profile for all the assessment undertaken over the year and retain the evidences in digital format. We need evidence. So no school can manipulate anything unless until if you are providing the evidences, no school can try to manipulate, because if they will try to manipulate the results, so that their license will cancel. Do you understand, all of you? So CBSE will cancel their license. So every student, they will expect their digital evidence, everything, evidences in the digital format. So kindly I am saying you, nothing will happen. Purchase one pen drive, which is cost around 300 to 400, only 8 GB pen drive like that, and maintain whatever you people will do from the beginning. Whatever you have done, small activity also, record it and save that video in our pen drive. Do you understand, Ra? Suppose if they will ask you suddenly, submit your evidences. So you have to submit that and write your records. I hope you already received the records, correct? Write very good handwriting. I'm saying you, don't write very bad handwriting, because that presentation also including marks. That is what I'm saying. And each and every exam after, everything, every activity, every assessment, every speaking like this practical work, whatever it is, we have to allot the marks for the children. Like it is like a daily analysis. I am saying you directly, it is going to be a daily analysis. So every time we have to enter the marks into the CBSE IT platform. So before, you may observe, your internal marks, 20 marks, we will enter only at the end of the academic year. Is it yes or no? Before going to the board exams, correct? You may ask
Yes,
for
sir.
seniors, they will say. So basically, during February or January onwards, we will start giving the internal marks for the children. So in that, some partialities and some other things, some manipulations done by the schools will be taking place. So that is why they are saying that now digital evidence must be in the digital format, and also it has been updated every time. There is no kind of updating only at the end of the academic year. At every action, we have to upload the results at the CBSE IT platform. So you cannot take rest at any moment. At every moment, you people need to work. There is no rest, I am saying you. Like how I am working, the same way I will expect from my children also. You have to be work day and night, continuously. Understand, all of you? Now, if you'll understand that till now, if you'll understand or not, doesn't matter. Because this is all within the hands of teachers. Teachers need to guide you, and teachers will take over that. Not an issue. But coming to this fourth point, from here, every child should know what is the conditions happening. If suppose I am not attending online classes 1 month, then how much I am going to miss? If suppose I am facing, suppose you can take Padmavarshini, Kevin and all, they will say, I am much facing problem in particular subject. I should not say name. Understand? So if you are facing problem, then who is going to lose? You people are going to lose some mark. So that You don't say that. You have to do hard work. That's all. There is no another way. Stop all the things. Everything, including your parents also now after the exams only, I am saying, because this is your life. If you are good only, you can take care of your parents, and whatever the dream of your parents or your dream is going to be fulfilled in future. So just you are giving priority to all the unnecessary things, then your life is going to be disturbed. That is what I am saying. So coming to here, term one examinations, they are saying that at the end of first term. So when the first term will end means, remember, the board will organize term one examinations in a flexible schedule to be conducted between November to December. So how many months are there? Calculate it from now. It is July. July already 6th, means 10 days gone. Okay, let it consider. July, August, September, October. How many months are there?
4 months.
Hardly 4 months. Yes or no? In that, so many, how many holidays will be? Saturday holidays. I think almost more than 15 days. October, more than 15 days we are going to get holidays because of Dasara. Correct? Gone. And immediately after 1 week we are going to get one more biggest festival in our Tamil Nadu. What is that? Diwali. Correct? So Diwali, most of you will get relaxed. Even I know that. So we are going to neglect one more month. What is that? Means including our holidays in these 3 months and the Dasara holidays, everything, 1 month will be gone completely. Correct? So how many months hardly we have? Only 3 months.
3 months.
3 months.
Not continuously. You may remember November to December, 4 weeks plus 4 weeks. It will be like a 4 to 8 weeks, and they will declare the examinations dates. Understand? Dates for conducting examinations will be notified subsequently. Means depend upon the situation at this moment, they will declare the dates. But how the dates will be, how you are going to write the exams, that is all conditions we will study in the 5th point. Suppose if I write from my home, if I write and I will come to school and write, what will happen? That is everything varies. That is what we will study in the 5th point. So now here you can see, here they are saying the term one examination. All of you note this point. Term one examination, they are saying that the question paper will have multiple choice questions. What is that? MCQs, multiple choice questions. Do you understand, all of you? Multiple choice questions, including what is that? Recently I have taught you chemistry. I have conducted one exam. Have you remember?
Case based.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Some paragraph they will give you, bottom they will give you some MCQ questions, and as well as direct MCQ questions, and as well as this is the most important thing where 99% of children will face problem. What is this?
Assertion and
Assertion and reason.
Reason.
Assertion and reason, analyzing. We have to solve with both heart and brain. If you are thinking something, if your expectation may goes wrong, then you are going to lose the mark. So now you can see, for example, what is the difficulty of this pattern? Basically, if it is a theoretical, maybe suppose if it is a 3-mark question, you may do at least 2 points or 3 points you'll write. For that, you guys will get at least 1.5 mark maximum. Correct or not? But here you can see MCQ. Something goes wrong. If you forget at least a single point or single minus or addition for mathematics, single mathematical operation, if you forget also sign convention, then you will choose some wrong answer. So that what we are going to get? 0. Correct or not? No option at all. No half mark, no point, no 1/4 like that. Directly 0, because everything is what? MCQ, correct? Yes or no? And particularly observe like Dilipan. Dilipan, I am saying you don't do like this. A or D, like this you guys will write. And you will make the darken the A. So either A it is D. So you people are having a dilemma. So either A or D. Sir will consider A. If A is correct, sir will give mark. If it is D, D will consider. But this is invalid. Understand, Dilipan, Pranav? I have seen, particularly your paper last time. That is what I am saying. It is invalid, I am saying you. So be perfect, very perfect while answering it. Is it okay, Ra? This is what the term. So in term 1, what kind of questions we are going to get? Next 3 months, what we are going to focus, Kevin? What we need to focus? We need to focus on 3 things. One is what? Case study questions completely. I'm saying you term 1, there is no kind of descriptive question. So we no need to bother about anything. We no need to bother about anything. Only we have to consider case study questions, MCQ questions, and reason and assertion and reason type questions. That's all. Is it okay, all of you? And duration of test will be 90 minutes. Means 1 hour, 30 minutes. 1.5 hour exam will be, and it will cover only the rationalized syllabus of term 1 examination only. There is not complete syllabus.
So only 40 marks, sir, exam term 1.
That is all you don't know. Number of marks they are not saying. 90 minutes they may
Okay,
be
sir.
90 marks also. You cannot say that. Each question they will give you 1 mark, but it won't be going to happen. Competitive exam they will give you 90 minutes means they will give you 100 questions. Understand, Padmavarshini? We cannot
Yes,
say
sir.
that. Number of marks they are not going to be declared. Soon they will declare the pattern. Do you understand? Sample question paper they will give you. By that time we will come to know how many marks. Duration alone they are saying. Okay, duration alone 90 minutes, so that hardly I think 40 marks or 50 marks. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So only 3 types of questions you have to remember here. So term 1 we are going to concentrate next 3 months on what every subject. If it is a geography or history or English or mathematics, whatever it is, case study, MCQs and assertion and reason time. So how many I need to study to get full mark? That is what I'm saying. Either 10 questions, 100 questions, 1000 questions, 10,000 questions. We cannot say it is like goes, it is keep on going. We cannot say anything. So continuous practice next 3 months without rest. Understand? All unnecessary activities should be stopped now immediately. So syllabus will be 50%. So our burden is reduced. It is not 100% to practice and remembering more things, particularly biology. Like we have to remember so many things, correct? Particularly history and geography also. We are facing much problem. So we have to remember so many years, so many that fellows' names, so many etc. 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 So now 50% only. So we can maybe by practicing we can easily perform well. Correct? So that is what you have to remember.
sir.
And question papers will be sent by CBSE. It is not designed by our school teachers or our state board or something. Definitely it has been sent by CBSE to schools along with the marking schemes. How we need to correct also CBSE only will set. So it is not in our hands. That is what you have to remember. Next, that examinations will be conducted under the supervision of external center. Understand? Or else CBSE will appoint some superintendents and observers appointed by CBSE. So exam will be going to be in our school only. But examiners, those who are kind of going to be conduct the exam, they are going to come from outside from the school. Do you understand? CBSE will appoint them. That is what you have to remember. So if suppose if you are going to come to school and you are going to write the exam, this is will happen. That is not we people are going to come like a supervisors, means supervisors. So outside fellows will come. Next, you are going to mark. This is the most biggest challenge for every children. Even like me, my age fellows also, those who are preparing for government exams also, they will face problem in this. That is what OMR sheet marking. Do you know that bubbling? You may notice it. Bubbling will be there. Bubbling will be there. Usually NTSC also will follow the same pattern. We have to bubble the answers. 4 options will be there. A, B, C, D.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
A is correct. We have to bubble correctly. Suppose now you see, Pranav, observe very carefully. I think A or B. Let me see. Here mark it something and here this is fully completely wrong. Like these conditions will be there. I will give practice for that also because NTSC already we are studying. Correct or not? So NTSC also OMR pattern only will be followed. So hundreds of OMR sheet will print and will practice OMR sheet also. How to bubble perfectly and more effectively also. That also we will practice it. Not an issue it is. It is not a big deal. Others maybe it is big deal, but I know I'm having much knowledge in this and how to make it and how to improve the OMR marking. I will make it you. You don't worry that. So we are going to mark it on OMR sheet, which is immediately they will scan. Nowadays, no need corrected by manual era. Directly OMR scanning will be there. So they will your school result, your school itself, it will scan your OMR sheet and they will be uploaded in the CBSE portal. Alternatively, the same day it will be evaluated and marked obtained will be uploaded by the schools on the very same day. Do you understand all of you? It may be uploaded directly to the CBSE and CBSE will correct and will give the mark. Or else same day the fellows who will come from outside, they will evaluate in that particular school and immediately they will upload it in the school by the CBSE website. Do you understand? And final direction in this regard will be conveyed to schools by the examination unit of the board. It is not decided either they will we have to send it to CBSE by scanning the OMR sheet or else same day they will correct in school itself. This is not decided. It will come soon we are going to receive that. Not an issue now. So now marks of the term 1 examination will be contribute to the final overall score of the students. This is what the most important point which will be useful for you. It is very important. You have to remember. So final declaration of your mark 1. Suppose if the pandemic goes continuously, marks extremely high. It is no way to write the exams, no way to come outside. Then your term 1 examinations will be considered as a major percentage of your declaration of 10th class results. Understand, Ra?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if suppose, let us see now, term 2 examination, year-end examination, we can call this as. So at the end of the second term, the board will organize term 2 or year 2 end examinations based on the rationalized syllabus of term 1, term 2 only. Means remaining 50%, approximately remaining 50% will be going to conduct at the term 2 examination, or else we can call it as what? Year-end examinations. Okay, da? Now this will be basically, they will be held around March to April 2022 at the examination centers fixed by the board. So sorry, here they have mentioned that examination centers, so means in the sense of it is maybe not your school, maybe some other school, but it may be, you remember, if it is suppose pandemic is more, you are going to write from your exam, from your home only. That is also I will say how it is. So you can see the paper will be of a 2 hours duration. Term 2 how much time, Ra? Term 2 2 hours.
2
Term
hours.
1 only 1.5 hour. Have questions of different format. Again here we have a one thing. What is that? Case based studies, situation based studies, like analytical questions, and means critical thinking, and short answer and long answer type questions. Remaining questions will be there. This is what the term 2 examinations will be going to be conducted at the March to April. Okay. So now, in case the situation,
How much marks will you take?
it will be 90 marks. That they are not mentioned here. I think it will be, they have not discussed anything term 2 marks. Okay. Okay, Ra? Marks they are not all discussing till now. Term 1 and term 2 they are not all discussing. Only time duration they are saying. Is it okay? Marks.
Okay, sir.
That is not our headache. Later we can think that. Now, if suppose, if the situation is not conductive for normal descriptive examinations, suppose at the end of March and April, still the corona is extreme level, like a lockdown again, then again, term 2 examination also, no kind of descriptive. Again, what they will do, Ra? If corona is again,
MCQ
something
based.
is not possible,
Based.
okay? 90 minutes MCQ exam only will be conducted at the end of the term 2 also. Do you understand, Ra? What is the importance of MCQs? If suppose term 2 also, term 2, end of the term 2 also, COVID is more, means again it has been spreaded like before. So again term 2 exams also will be what? They also will become MCQ only. Correct or not? That is what you have to remember. So now next, marks of the term 2 examination would be contribute to the overall score. So 50%. If suppose both you will write in the examination centers, 50%, 50% they will calculate and each subject, and they will make a 100% results for you. Means equals to 100 they will do. If both, if you write in the examination centers, do you understand, all of you? Both if you write in the examination centers, they will make it like a 50%, 50% for your final overall score. If not, I am unable to go to the means the examination center. That is what the 5th point. Assessment examination as per different situations. If the situation is very bad, if the situation is good, that is what we'll discuss now. Let us end this very fastly. So in case the situation of the pandemic improves and students are able to come to schools or centers for taking the examination, then board could conduct term 1 and term 2 examinations at schools, centers, and the theory marks will be distributed equally between the 2 examinations. Do you understand, all of you? So by that time, 50% MCQ, 50% theoretical, means theoretical exam which we are going to write at the term 2 will be distributed for term 1 and term 2. Do you understand? Same way, MCQ also term 1 and term 2 they will distribute. Is it okay, all of you? If the situation improves. Clear? Any doubt? Anybody ask me, please. If the situation nice and both exams if you will write in the school, this is the situation. So they will consider 50-50%. So overall for direct they will give you 50% of first one, 50% of term 2. If suppose in the case the situation, the pandemic forces complete closure of schools, means complete lockdown again during November and December, but term 2 exams are held at schools or centers, then highest priority for term 2. Do you understand, all of you? Term 1 you are going to write in our home only, online or offline exam, whatever it is, you are going to write in this case, you are going to write in our home only, we are going to write in our home. So the weightage of this exam for the final score would be reduced. If you write from home, that person, the weightage will be reduced. That's all. So if you write the term 2 in our examination centers or school, so term 2 more priority. If term 1 you are writing in examination centers and term 2 is going to be very pandemic, and it is again the schools are going to be closer during March and April. So who is having more priority, Padmavarshini? If term 2 is a pandemic, term 1 will be more priority, and term 2 again they will conduct as a MCQ. Basically it is theory, term 2. But if term 2 is a pandemic again, then they will make it as that is also a MCQ question based, means MCQ based examination and internal assessment. This is what you have to remember. Internal assessments also, but the weightage of marks of term 1 will be more compared to the term 2. If during term 2 the COVID is increased. Next point. In case the situation of the pandemic, both the things, suppose if it is luck or unluck, I don't know. Term 1 and term 2 both, they have been taken from the home only. Means both the during that same, both the sessions, if it has been a pandemic, then you remember they will be considered our class 9, understanding all the things like basis of internal assessment. This is what I am saying, the importance of practical project works and all. Internal assessment, practical project work, and theory marks in term 1 and term 2 examination taken by the candidates from the mark in class 10th and 12th, subject to the moderation or other measures to ensure validity and reliability of the assessment. So if both the situations, pandemic is more, they will consider this all the points. This is what this circular released by the CBSE. So I hope you understand very well. If you have any doubt, you please kindly ask me. So this is all about this circular. I think the meeting is also going to end. So I hope you understand very well. Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Clear? So these are the points you have to remember. So we are going to only